Well, this is what in the business we call a boomerang. And that's one that you fix and everything's fine. Then it comes back with a different problem shortly after. Let's check out this Harmon Kardon cassette deck. Got this Harmon Kardon CD491 back. This is the one that wouldn't fast forward rewind before, which is doing fine now, but the complaint on this one is when it goes into play, it's got a problem. It says the head is sticking. Well, it doesn't appear to be. Oh yes, it appears that the head is sticking. Because it won't eject. Interesting. Let's just see what's going on inside this one. We'll take off the glass. He said the head, it was like it was sticking into the cassette and not retracting down. Is the complaint. So we'll remove the glass just to get a better look at what's going on in the deck itself. That appears to be working okay. When there's a cassette in, he says it's not, it's sticking. Okay. I think maybe the cassette is not, maybe the holder is not holding the tape in properly. You see, it won't eject, but if I push it all the way in, then it will. I have a feeling it's just not okay, what the problem is it's a slight bow in the metal here. And what's happening is this metal is pushing the cassette ever so slightly towards the front. We just give this a bit of a push in here. See, it is sitting in the little, there's two little grooves down here. And it is it is sitting in the groove. Okay, good. Now the head's working properly. You can see it. Oops. There we go. Yeah, that's all it was the metal plate here, which just has slight bow in it. It may not have been sitting properly in the groove, but it looks like it's in. I mean, it is fitting in the groove nicely there. There we go. Okay, I don't know how that piece got bowed like that, but something jumped out. Either jumped out of the track. It may not have been in the groove properly, and it popped out. That's what I'm thinking. Is that when it was put together, it was in the groove, but it may not have been seated, properly and it popped out, or the unit's been bumped around a bit after it left my hands. It was working when I put it together, it was working properly, and then it wasn't. So don't know why, but that's what it was that little metal backing, the cover that goes over the idler, had moved ever so slightly forward and was just putting just the slightest bit of pressure on the back of the cassette, which was causing the head to hit against it. And the head would go up okay, but when it went to drop the head back down, it wasn't retracting and therefore would not release the eject lever unless you pushed on it. If you pushed on it, then it would release it. Anyway, that's that one solved. Thanks for watching.